Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt, a delightful and healthy treat right in your own kitchen. Making homemade yogurt is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to enjoying your fresh, creamy creation. Get ready to transform milk into a delicious, probiotic-rich food with ease. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 1 gallon of whole milk for the best results, though other types can work too. For your starter, use about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures. Essential equipment includes a large pot, a reliable thermometer, and clean jars for storing your finished yogurt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's prepare the milk. Pour your milk into a large pot and heat it slowly over medium heat. Stir occasionally to prevent it from scorching on the bottom. Bring the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then remove it from the heat. Next, allow the milk to cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is vital for the live cultures to thrive. Once the milk reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add your starter. Take a small amount of the warm milk, mix it with your 2 tablespoons of starter yogurt, then gently whisk this back into the main pot. Pour the mixture into your clean jars. Incubate the yogurt for 6 to 10 hours at a consistent 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, chill your delicious homemade yogurt for at least 4 hours before enjoying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.